Hello friends, good evening. My name is Pooja Tanaji Temgire. This is the introduction slide of digital teaching skill lesson. The lesson is prepare for B.Ed first year digital teaching skill lesson. It belongs to श्री संत तुकाराम शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ, अध्यापक महाविद्यालय, वडगाव मावळ. My subject Science, Unit Natural Resources, Subunit Minerals and Ore, under a guidance of Assistant Professor Jyoti Randive, ma'am. Now start my subject. Students, we are already known as a natural resources. What is mean by natural resources? The things that are freely available in nature and we are used in a daily life. For example, water. Water is freely available and that is used in our daily life. So water is called as a natural resources. Tell me the some other natural resources examples. Air, water, minerals, ores, all these are the natural resources. Student, today we are going to learn about minerals and ores. The earth crust, outermost layer of the earth, it contains valuable minerals and ores. For example, stone, coal, copper, gold, petroleum, bauxite, all these minerals are found in the deep inside the earth crust and it is obtaining from mining process. Now, student, I will show you a video what is meant by a minerals and types of minerals. So listen carefully.
Hello, friends! Ready for a new adventure? Today, we're going to learn everything about minerals! Do you know what they look like and how we use them? Let's find out together. We're going to use this magnifying glass to observe this rock. Can you see how it's formed by different elements? That's right, friends. Those elements are called minerals, and all rocks are made up of them. There are
Minerals are means minerals is a natural substance. It is found in earth. The earth is different type of rock. It is made up of element and this element is called as a minerals. Understand? Next, there are different type of minerals. See types of
many
minerals.
types of minerals. Granite, for example, is a rock made up of a mineral called quartz.
Granite is a rock. It is made up of a mineral quartz.
Marble is another rock made up of a mineral called calcite.
Marble is a rock. It is made up of a mineral calcite.
Some well-known minerals are diamonds, topazes, gypsum, talc, and gold.
Some known minerals diamond, talc, topaz, gold, gypsum are all these the minerals we are already known. Student, understand what is meant by minerals and what is the types of minerals? Next, the properties of minerals. First property is hardness. Diamond is a very hard as compared to Talc. Talc is a very soft. Second property is luster. Luster have a very shine. Antimony is a shine as compared to bauxite is not shine. Third property is color. Some minerals are always the same color. The other can be different color. For example, emerald has a green color and sulfur has a yellow color. Fourth property, shape. There are two types of shape, regular shape and irregular shape. Coal has a irregular shape, pyrite has a irregular shape. Student, understand these four property. First one is a hardness, second one is a luster, third one is a color, and fourth one is a shape. Next, ores. An ore is simply a rock containing a high percentage of a certain mineral. For example, hematite. A hematite contains a high percentage of iron. Next, second example, malachite. It is containing high percentage of copper. Some other example, bauxite. It contains high percentage of aluminium. What is found in limestone in high percentage? Calcium carbonate is high percentage found in limestone. Ores, student understand ores? Now ores are used of in daily life. Ores are useful in daily life because they are make many important things such as iron ores. It is used for building bridges, vehicles, tools, utensils, etc. Some other example of ores, mica ores is present in a cosmetic. Lithium ore is present in a laptop. Aluminium ore is present in a drink can. Copper ore, it is used for electric wire, motors, mobile, chargers, etc. In this way, today we are learn about minerals and ores and the uses of ore in daily life. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.